This star for me, Martin Smith, aka Cornish Grandad, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss a workflow for creating YouTube content using applications you already have or which are free to use. There are a number of ways of producing content for your YouTube channel. I will show you the workflow I use to create YouTube tutorials using nothing but applications already installed with Windows or Microsoft, and applications that can be downloaded free. First, we will need to write the script. We'll create the introductory video, as you see now, followed by the how-to section using software bundled with Windows 10. Clean up the audio and edit the final movie using free software. First off, I have created a Microsoft Word template that covers the key steps in creating a YouTube tutorial. The template has the following sections: a paragraph describing what your value proposition is to your viewing audience. Writing down how you are fulfilling the viewer's needs focuses the minds on what you are going to present. Perhaps you want to create a video on how to knit a Yeti from spaghetti. Yes, I did find it on the web. Do you have the skills? Is there a need? Are other YouTube channels already meeting the need? I like to start off with a personal welcome to the viewer. Developing your own opening phrase and catchphrase helps develop brand loyalty, but keep it short. Something like, "Hello and welcome back," or "Nice to see you nice," or whatever. Tell them what you're going to tell them. This is a tutorial. It's not a blog, vlog, clog, or whatever else there is. If they want to leave, then let them. If they're interested, then aim to keep them and watch to the end. That will help your YouTube stats. Add a hook, but use it sparingly. In fact, sometimes don't even use them. Later I will tell you how to, whatever, but deliver on the promise. No clickbait. It will ruin your score in the YouTube algorithm. Title video. Great, use them. See my video on branding. Type up the key steps involved in the tutorial in your script. Don't write it verbatim or you'll come across really kind of wooden. They're aid memoirs, they're there to help you. Keep the flow going logically, make sure you don't forget things. Highlight the actual steps, technical descriptions of difficult steps. I tend to do this in grey. Your end screen. Maximum 20 seconds. 10 to 15 is great. Keep it bold and simple. Tell them what value you've added. Something like, "I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from this tutorial on whatever it is." Describe your value proposition. If you have, then please support this channel by clicking like, and you'd help me produce more videos if you click subscribe, that kind of thing. A link to the next video in the sequence is on screen, that kind of stuff. Keep in touch and hope to see you soon. We'll also add brand awareness if you've got some ending catchphrase. Your YouTube description serves two purposes. Firstly, it tells the audience what your video is about. Secondly, it allows you to put in the keywords the search engine will use to recommend your video to viewers. So make sure you put keywords in your description. Add timestamps, links, and any creditations. Prepare your description in a word processor ensures it is grammatically correct and properly spelt. Also, create the list of keywords that you're going to add to your video. As a hint, to see the keywords your competitors are using, click the right mouse button on the description section below their video. Then select Inspect and Ctrl F to search for keyword. It will show all their tags. There are many ways to create your introduction. Personally, I use PowerPoint. Yep, PowerPoint. It comes free, bundled with Microsoft 365. You can not only create titles, sections, slideshows, etc., but you can also record video. Many YouTubers use the standard catchphrase and welcome for their users. Here's Camille from the Creator Academy.
Hey there everyone! it's me, Camille, from the channel Offbeat Look, and I'm going to show you how to get your channel started quickly and easily.
Bloggers and vloggers will avoid telling you what they're going to tell you. This approach is to get the click and captivate you. The strategy for a tutorial video is completely different. You want the viewer to know that he is clicking on a video that will provide the information they want. The strategy should then be to keep them watching to the end. YouTube will reward you for viewing time more than for clicks. So tell them what you are going to tell them. That is your value proposition. The end screen is the last 20 seconds maximum of your video. Here's a primal video end card.
Just like these animated ones on screen right now in just a few minutes. And then exactly how to use that fancy new template of yours in your own video outros step by step.
Thumbnail. Create a powerful thumbnail using your branding with the final outcome of your video. So if you've created something, obviously what you've created. In this case, my brand is noodle knitting, and what I've actually created is a knitted Yeti spaghetti. Insert your title sequence as in the great movie title sequences. Keep your title sequence short, uplifting, enhanced by the music. I suggest you look at my video on channel branding. Computer graphics like the free open source Blender are great tools for creating unique title sequences. Did you know you have a free screen capture and recording application already on your PC? The Xbox GameBar is pre-installed with Windows 10. This simple to use tool is designed to record games, but equally useful for recording other things. To record the current screen and any voiceover you do as a movie file. Simply click the window key with the Alt key and the letter R, that's Windows Alt R, to start recording. The file is normally saved in your video capture folder as an MP4. It does have some limitations. Maximum 30 minutes, but I don't like to do clips longer than 30 minutes in any case. You can always stitch them together. And it only records the current screen, so you open another folder, such as I need to open this folder to do such and such. You have to find a workaround to that. There are. And it can't record the file manager, which I think is a great miss. Despite your best efforts of recording your voiceover, you will need tidying up. Poor quality sound is a put-off for YouTube viewers. You can improve the sound massively using Audacity. You can also record and edit using that tool. Audacity's easy to use interface comes with a host of tools to denoise, remove clicks, normalize the volume, etc. See my separate video on audio editing in Audacity. Blender is a free 3D open source computer graphics package, which I use to create my title sequences. It also has an inbuilt video editor, which allows you to stitch together movie clips, images and sounds and produce professional fades between them. You can use the video editor on its own, you don't have to know the rest of the package. You can pull in your intro PowerPoint movie, drag in your title sequence and then fade into your Xbox GameBar how-to section with your cleaned Audacity audio. You can then cut out mistakes, speed up boring sections, slow down for emphasis, zoom in for a particular area you need to focus on, add explanatory text to make a polished and exciting end product before saving as a movie file for import into YouTube. With the hard work done, you are now ready to upload your video into YouTube. You can paste in your title, description and tags from your template and add the chapter timings. Edit the end screen with your subscribe button and video links, add any cards and sit back and watch the viewers grow. Good luck with creating your YouTube channel. Hope to see you on air soon. If you found this useful, then please click like. If you want to see other videos in the sequence, then I suggest you click subscribe. Keep in touch and hope to see you soon.